Question A1, 0.7 divided by 0.001. Now, what you've got to remember is that when you're younger, you learned how to multiply by 10, multiply by 100, multiply by 1,000, divide by 10, divide by 100, and divide by 1,000. And it was all about moving digits. So multiply by 10 moves all the digits one place to the left, 100 moves everything 2 places to the left, 1,000 3 places to the left, and dividing by 10, 100, 1,000 moves all the digits to the right. Now we can actually use this to help us, because if you're multiplying or dividing by 0.1 or 0.01 or 0.001, then there's a very easy trick to do. So, and here comes the trick. So you can take the point out. So imagine taking this point out, flip the digits round. So 0, 0, 0, 1 would become 1, 0, 0, 0, and swap the divide for a times. And basically that has the same effect. So dividing by 0.0001 has the same effect as timesing by 1,000. So what we've actually got to do is do 0.7 times 1,000. And in that case, all the digits would move 3 places forwards. So if you move the 7, 1 place forwards, it would go into the units column, 2 places into the tens column, 3 places into the hundreds column. So the 7 is going to be in the hundreds column. Therefore, the answer is 700. And that's your final answer to the first question. Whilst we're still on this question there, we might as well just talk about what the other similar questions could be. So timesing by 10 would be the same as dividing by the flipped round digits version of that with a decimal point in. So if you flip 10 round, it'd be 0, 1 and put the point in. So timesing by 10 is the same answer as dividing by 0.1. Timesing by 100 would be the same as swap the times for a divide, flip the digits round, 0, 0, 1, and put your decimal point back in. So 0.01. Timesing by 1,000 is the same as swap the times for a divide, flip the digits round, and put the point back in. 0.001 divided by 10, swap the symbol for a times, flip the digits round, and put the point back in. So dividing by 10 is the same as timesing by 0.1. Dividing by 100 is going to be the same as swapping the divide for a times, flipping the digits round, and putting the decimal point back in. So timesing by 0.01, and dividing by 1,000, swap the divide for a times, flip the digits round, and put the point back in. So divide by 1,000 is the same as timesing by 0.001.